Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can hide photos on Android. So to start, it is worth mentioning that some smartphones will offer you their own gallery apps with built-in hide photos option or feature. Mine does not, since the phone that I have in front of me today is Google Pixel 8. So the default photos or photo explorer application is Google Photos, so that's what I'm going to use. But once again, keep in mind that if you have a Samsung or a Xiaomi phone, you have a separate gallery app which should have its own built-in secure folder or hidden folder functional. So do your research on that separately. Anyway, how you do that inside Google Photos app is by selecting what photos you would like to hide. Then once you're selected, at this context menu at the bottom, choose move to locked folder, continue, move, wait until those pictures are actually moved into the locked folder. Once they are, I will quickly show you how to access this hidden or locked folder. Let's first of all wait for those photos to be moved, which takes way more time than it is supposed to, which is strange. So let's reinitialize the process perhaps. Maybe it will go quicker this time. I guess yeah, they're now being hidden. Yep. So now we'll go into the collections. And here at the very bottom, if you scroll this entire section down, you'll find the locked section. Obviously, in order to access it, you'll need for your device to have a screen lock. So let's quickly set it up. I'll go with pattern, but you can do pattern, PIN, or password, as well as enroll biometrical screen lock methods such as fingerprint or face recognition. So now once the screen lock is enabled, we can actually access the hidden photos. And here they are, as you can see. So should you have any further questions, leave them in a comment section below. But as for now, as for this video, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.